Hello everyone! So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw a money from MetaMask to our bank account in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, if you have, some balance on your MetaMask and you wanted to withdraw it and put it into our to your bank account, and this video is for you, and you just have to follow the steps that I'll be showing you for you to learn how to withdraw your money on MetaMask. Okay, so first step, guys, of course you need to go to our MetaMask extension, and I wanted to open it in full screen. So for us to withdraw, guys, so as you can see here, guys, I don't have any balance here, but I will be showing you how to withdraw your money on MetaMask. Okay, so in order for us to do that, guys, what we're gonna do, guys, is you know, let's say that I have a balance on my USD USDT, the T there, USD. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I need to generate a QR code or copy the code that I have that I had on Binance. So I wanted to send this money. Let's say I want to send money on my Binance. Okay, you just have to wait. Mm-hmm. So let's say I wanted to send the money a Tron, let's say a Tron, and we need to generate a the code, guys, that we have on our Binance. So after we send, and you have to input the amount, let's say $500. So it says it's sufficient funds because I don't have funds on TRX. So um after you put that one, guys, you click this send and confirm it, guys, and in your Binance, guys, you can withdraw the money on your Binance and send it or withdraw it through your bank account. So you need to to log in your bank account, to link your account on Binance, so for you to be able to withdraw your money. So that's it, guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from this quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MetaMask. Thank you.